Hello everyone. Today we are exploring sheet metal manufacturing process and design constraints, a critical area in automotive, aerospace and industrial manufacturing. Sheet metal parts needs to be strong, lightweight and manufacturable. Let's explore how engineers design and manufacture these sheet metal components. Common sheet metal manufacturing processes. Sheet metal parts are created using several processes, each suited for different applications. First could be stamping, uses a press to shape a metal. Example, car door panels and fenders, etc. Next would be bending. This forms angles in sheet metal. Example, these laptop enclosures, aircraft panels. And next could be laser cutting. This precisely cuts complex shapes. Example, precision brackets and structural components. Deep drawing. This stretches a metal into a 3D shape. Example, fuel tanks, kitchen sinks. Roll forming. This shapes long metal sheets into profiles. Example, roofing sheets and car body reinforcements. What are the key design constraints in the sheet metal components? Designing a sheet metal part requires careful consideration of minimum bend radius. This will prevent cracks in bending operations. Next is K factor and neutral axis. This helps to calculate accurate material stretching. Your part should have relief cuts to avoid deformation near the bends. There should be some holes and slot placements, ensuring manufacturability, and this also reduces the stress points. Example, if you take a car hood, design engineers optimize bends and reinforcements to balance aerodynamics, weight and also crash safety. These automotive sheet metal design, say for example when you are considering to design a car structural frame, what should be the primary consideration? You should have this manufacturing feasibility. Parts must be easy to stamp and bend without defects. Crashworthiness. High strength steel reinforcements absorbs impact forces. Weight optimization. Aluminium or composite materials reduces vehicle weight for better fuel efficiency. Right? One should maintain proper bend radii to avoid cracking. Use fillets and relief cuts to minimize stress concentration, optimize hole positions to maintain structural integrity, select proper materials with respect to its strength, weight and manufacturability. And this is an introductory overview of sheet metal manufacturing and the design constraints or maybe challenges also. Whether in automobiles, aerospace or construction industry, sheet metal design plays a very vital role in engineering. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more engineering insights.